From the sizzling roadside chowmein stalls to an exclusive Indo-Chinese menu section at a 5-star restaurant, this fusion cuisine is a true sensation across India. Namaskaram foodies, welcome back to Simply Cooked by Prem. Remember those cherished food memories with family and late night takeout with friends, and that one go-to order at your favorite Indo-Chinese spot and ask for Bhaiya, egg fried rice, egg noodles or egg chili chicken. Nostalgic times. That smoky noodles, perfectly tossed fried rice and crispy saucy chili chicken. Now that is a combination that always hits the spot. So today, let's bring that restaurant magic to your kitchen with a step-by-step guide to recreating these flavor-packed dishes. Get your woks ready and let's start cooking. Remember, these dishes are always cooked on high heat, which gives them that beautiful smoky flavor called as wok hai by the Chinese master chef, which means breath of wok. So make sure to have all your ingredients prepped and chopped before you start. This way, you can cook quickly and effortlessly. Let's begin with the fried rice. Start with a hot pan and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons ginger, 3 teaspoons garlic. The more garlic, the better the flavor. 200 grams of diced boneless chicken. When half cooked, add a few shrimps. Don't overcook them. Maximum 2 minutes. Crack in 2 eggs and stir constantly for that perfect eggy texture. Once cooked, take everything out into a bowl. Now let's cook the vegetables. Now in a fresh pan, add another 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Start adding the veggies based on cooking time. All the vegetables cut here are small dice. 50 grams carrot, 50 grams green beans, 30 grams mushroom. Saute well. It releases flavor when cooked longer. 50 grams mixed capsicum. Keep the flame high for a minute and then saute. It's time for the seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon fish sauce, half teaspoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Now bring back the cooked chicken, shrimp and eggs we set aside earlier. Stir well. I like it spicy, so I am adding 1 teaspoon fried chili oil, 1 teaspoon budak sauce, optional but amazing for spicy lovers and bringing up the umami. Two teaspoons of white pepper. Finally, add 1 bowl of leftover rice. Stir well. And finish with 1 egg to make it creamy and fluffy. A handful of chopped spring onions and fry well. And that's it. The most delicious mixed fried rice is ready. Trust me, once you try this, you will never order takeout again. Moving on to preparing noodles. Did you know noodles have been around over 4000 years? These are enjoyed in different ways across the world. But nothing beats a plate of homemade noodles. Cooking the noodles. Boil water with salt. Add noodles of your choice. And cook as per package instructions. Once done, strain it and mix it with sesame oil to prevent sticking. Stir frying the ingredients. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 teaspoons ginger, and 3 teaspoons garlic. 150 gram chicken and 30 gram mushroom. Saute until chicken turns white. 2 teaspoons white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 150 grams of prawns. Toss for a minute. Add in julienne cut veggies. 50 gram carrots, 100 grams cabbage, 100 grams capsicum, and stir for a minute. Remember, we do not want to lose the crunchiness in the veggies. Time for seasoning and bringing it all together. 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon fried chili oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 50 grams spring onions. Now toss in the boiled noodles and mix well. I like to serve it with a half-boiled egg for extra creaminess. Let's see how to make spicy chili chicken. Did you know that chili chicken is purely an Indian creation, first made in Kolkata, Chinatown? This dish has now taken over menus everywhere. Preparing the chicken. In a bowl, mix 4 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, water, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 egg white for crispiness, 250 grams chicken. You can also add 1 egg whole if you want more crispy fried chicken. One tablespoon of sesame oil. Let this marinate for 30 minutes before frying. Meanwhile, boil 5 Kashmiri chilies and blend them into a smooth paste for later use. Deep fry the chicken in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Set aside. Now let's make the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 teaspoon ginger and 4 teaspoon garlic. The vegetable cut will be dice cut. Here I am adding 1 whole onion, mixed capsicum 150 grams, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, now add 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoon red chili paste, 2 teaspoon white sesame seed, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 20 gram cornstarch mixed with water for thickening, and finally toss in the fried chicken. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon fried chili oil, simmer for 5 minutes, stir occasionally, and there you have it, a perfect spicy and saucy chili chicken that pairs amazingly well with fried rice and noodles. That's it foodies, 3 iconic Indo-Chinese dishes, all made at home. Try this and let me know in the comments how they turned out. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Simply Cooked by Prem for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.